We're going to do a pickle Rick today. What is this? Huh. Alright, so we're back. We're going to do a pickle Rick. Should be a pretty quick one. Shouldn't take very long. Guess we'll find out. I'm going to CD into my desktop. And try hack-ng and make a directory for pickle Rick. And we'll go ahead and already connected everything. So let's go ahead and run our Rust scan. This is CTS, so let's run Rust scan. Alright, so we got port 22 open, port 80 open. So let's go ahead and figure out what's on port 80, I guess. Rick is super cool. That's a weird way to spell super up there. Got anything in here? Note self, remember username Rick rules. Alright, so we got a username. Let's go ahead and start up a cherry tree document for that. Cherry point. What the hell is that? A cherry tree document for that. And we'll name this one Pickle Rick. And we'll go ahead and start our port scan. In our port scan, we just showed those two open ports. That was it. Alright. That's all we got from that. And we saw our web interface. Okay, and within there we found this information. So far we found some good stuff so far. So that's good. Let's see if my camera's still working. Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. I should bring it a little more this way. There we go. Make it look a little bit nicer. Alright, and so we got both of those information now, so we have a username now. So we could always try to Hydra. Probably I could try that. Yeah, brute forcing is usually one of the last things I like to try. So found that. So let's go ahead and do a dir search on this guy. I do remember, because I have done this before, it was a while ago, but I do remember having to make arguments for the dir search. So I don't remember what arguments I need though, but we're going to go ahead and try it. Python 3 dir search. I'll use big.text. And what I've told you about the arguments, just try to make it a little bit easier. So we'll do text, HTM, I don't think I'm supposed to. Yeah, HTM, PHP, executable, zip, rar. That looks good. Let's try that. Alright, so hopefully we find something in there with that. I guess we will follow the ABCs of hacking, and we will go ahead and try to brute force that username. We'll do a Hydra. Hopefully this doesn't mess anything up, like right here. And the username was that, like right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and throw that in. And we'll try SSH. And that was for IP address 10.10.241.10.0. Wait, what? Really? Really, the IP address? It's like a network. Okay, cool. Alright. I guess now /24. So we found assets. Ooh, does not support password authentication method. Really? Okay, so looks like we're not doing that. Let's try to add in that 22 at the end. Okay, looks like we are not doing that, like right there. So we do have an asset so far. That's a 301. So now we're just, I don't know, let's see if we got robots. Robots.txt. Do we have something like that? We do. Alright. Okay. Thank you, Rick. So we do have a robots.txt. Web interface. Okay, so we have that now, but where do we put that at? Is that the SSH password? Let's see. SSH, that Rick rules, whatever it is, right? Wherever that went, boom, Rick rules. At 10.10.241.0, and we'll try that other password. Yes. We'll try this password that we found earlier. What we just found. Let's try SSH. No. It does not like that at all. So we have like a login page right through that. Is it like a login? Can we just type in login? Login? Okay, no login. Anything else in this robots? Nope. Okay. So now we're just waiting to see what we got from here. We got assets. It looks like we're not getting much in here. We got there's our robot.txt like right there. Let's try to do another into dir search. Let's try the assets. Okay. Somewhere to that we got Pickle Rick, Bootstrap fail, portal, Pickle Rick, fail. I'm not really seeing much in here. I think we try another dir search without the arguments in it. Maybe something like that. 10.10.240, right? 241.0. Try it without the arguments also. See if there's like a login page or anything like that. So we definitely have what I think is a password. So hopefully we get something with that. Robots.txt. And we found robots.txt. Server stats, not going to be able to get there. Assets, we already looked at that. Only so much in there. That's not going to give us much. Bootstrap version 3.4.0. Or if we can get in that way. I didn't see anything in the beginning to like log into anything. Let's make sure. There's nothing in here to log into anything. Note self, password, help Morty, jQuery. It's pretty normal. Okay, so got the assets again. Let's try to also use Buster. What is it? Medium.txt, right? Let's try to use him too. Without any arguments, because we already found that robots.txt file. I don't think we need anything else from there. There's no login page. Damn assets gets me every time. You know? I'm also wondering if, because I didn't put a space in between everything. Let's try. I didn't put a space in between everything last time. I wonder if I need a space in between all stuff. I need it like that. Or if I need it like that. I know what you're thinking. There's some fun stuff like right here. Do I pause the video now or just let it go? Yeah, you got robots.txt again. That's great, but I'm not seeing really anything else. The assets always told me so much too. Dale, jQuery, Bootstrap, Rick and Morty. I'm trying to find something I can actually log into. We're gonna do a argument for just login. See if we find something like that, or if that's a thing. Also wonder if I should just use GoBuster. Wonder if their search is going a little bit too hard core with it or what. Let's do like tacky login. Do something like that. It's not really a file name, but maybe curl it, Hydra it, or not Hydra. Let's try Nicto. .241.0. We do like a Nicto scan or something like that with it. See if we find anything. Just so I see assets, I get excited. Should I just beat this thing up and just try GoBuster also? Maybe the other one's going too hardcore with it. Try medium.txt, try some arguments with it. I do remember I had to put in arguments. PHP, text, HTML, HTML, we'll do that. RAR, and zip. We'll try those. Whoops. Whoops. We don't want port 8080. 10.10.241.0. Let's try the regular GoBuster scan with it. It's not quite as fast, but that's okay. We could always do attack T. Get more threads running at it. Assets. Yeah, that guy's not really going anywhere, like right there. No CGI directories, okay. I'm not really finding anything at all here. Not really finding where to log in at. /login does not want to work. Oh, maybe /login.php. But I would have figured it would have found PHP over here. Let's try /login. PHP. Is it PHP login? Okay. It is a PHP login. Alright, cool. So we got somewhere. That's weird. Alright. Let's try those things that we found. Let's try that information that we found. Wonder why nothing else came up with that over here. We got robots.txt. Tacky. Let's do PHP, see if it finds it. dirb should have login in it. So, username was Rick Rules, and the password is right there. Login. Don't save. Commands. Okay, can I execute commands in here? I can. Can I do something like that? I can. Okay. Okay. Command disabled. Cat's disabled. What was the clue, right? Let's try less. Less is not disabled. Okay. There's a login.php. Should have found that in the first place. Let's try to less this guy. Less Mr. Meeseek's hair. Alright, cool. Now what the question is can we create just like a netcat listener coming back to us with this command? We have potions only real Rick can view this page, creatures, potions, Beth Clone notes, commands. Okay, cool. Rick portal. Trying to see what's going on up here. Nothing. Okay. So let's GoBuster still haven't found anything either. Oh, maybe I'm just beating it up too much. Alright, so let's see if we can start up put like a netcat into here, listener. Start like a reverse bind or whatever it is. netcat reverse shell. I am in Okinawa, Japan Lake right now. Payload all things. Okay. And netcat. Netcat. Alright, cool. So can we just do something like that and have it come back to us? See if we can do that. Right there. Index of assets, robots.txt, Rick is super cool. And I am 10.9.169, I think I am. Not 69. Execute. Command disabled. What is disabled? Netcat is not disabled, okay. Netcat, boom, boom, simple. Options are forces IV4. I should have attack E in here, but it's not showing attack E in here. Now, are you? That's okay. That is okay. Okay, on server side. We could always do something like that, but we can't do cat though. Client side. Boom, shell prompt. Okay, so there's no TAC C or TAC E option in this netcat. We can still execute a command after connection being established by redirecting file descriptors after connection being established. Be cautious here because opening a port. So we could try to do that, but we can't do a cat. I wonder if we can do a less here and do that. Let's try that. We'll try to do a less there. So let's go ahead and copy this whole thing. Okay, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put that over here. Netcat, question mark. Netcat, question mark? Let's try that. So we're going to try this whole thing right here. And pretty much what we're going to do is obviously we got to change this, and we're going to have to put that as less. So let's go ahead and make this 10.9.1.69. We can leave it as port 1234. I don't care about that. Let's change this to less. Whoops, less. And let's see if we can do this, like right here. See if we can Control C that. Go back into here. Let's go to Pickle Rick. Where are you at? Oh, I'm on you. Let's see if we can run that command. Okay, did something. Alright, now let's see if we can do a less with that, because I can't do a cat. And let's also start our listener over here. And see LVMP 1234. And let's see if we can do that. And doesn't really look like we're getting anywhere with that. There's my IP address though, right? 10.9.169, 10.9.169, 10.9.169, port 1234. I mean, but it doesn't really seem to be getting anything back to me now, does it? Execute that command. Okay, that's alright. We still have Python reverse shells we can try. Let's see which Python. See if this thing has Python on it. Execute. Did I break it? Resend. Did I break the box? I think I broke the box. Stop everything. Stop everything. Let's see if we can do which Python. I think I broke the box. Refresh that page. Yep, something's broken here. Let's get rid of all this. Refresh. Bad gateway. Okay, we're back in. So let's go back to that web browser. We'll log back in and we'll try that again. It's going. There we go. So let's try that again. I think I broke the box. What was it? It was login, right? Login.php. Cool. Which we still never found with our scan, so it's kind of confusing. It's taking forever to log in now. Let's make sure this box is still up and running. Well, it obviously is because I just got to the main page of it. And it's still up and running and everything. Might have to reset the box. Alright, let's go ahead and reset the box. Terminate. We'll start the machine again. And we'll go from here. Because that one is a weird one. Whatever just happened, like right there. Oh, we already have a machine running. I do not. That is a lie. Do I have to exit all the way out Cali and come back into it? I may have to. But we're trying our best. We are trying our best. See what happens here. This thing does not want to load very fast, does it? Start machine. Alright. I should just subscribe, in all honesty. Really should. I've yet to subscribe. I should just subscribe. Like, why is it not starting now? Still connected to the internet, right? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we got about a minute before that starts back up again, and we're gonna try. We'll try that netcat one again. I want to try that one. But just in case if not, let's also look at Python. Python. Is this the reverse shell one? Need our reverse shell for Python. Reverse shell for Python. Yeah, that is it. Okay. So we could always try that like right there. That guy like right there. And then we just need to change our IP and we can leave the same port number, whatever you want to do really. Try that one. We try this guy like right here. Or tac C, import socket. We're not using IPv6. We're not going to try those two. And it's not Windows machines. We're not going to try that guy. So we would definitely try these two like right here. But let's go ahead and copy that. See if it's started up yet. It has. Cool. Much faster too. Login.php. Cool. Okay. So I'm going to grab our username and password again. And our password. Don't save. Let's see if we can execute these commands like right here. Alright, we can go ahead and stop that also. Let's go ahead and see if, what was it, NC tac LVMP1234, right? Actually, I probably should have read that. Let me see here. Man, that cat. Because it definitely said on the other side to do something different. Data transfer, port scanning. Where do I see that at? Right here. Okay, on the client side. NC and the host.example.com 1234. Okay, so let's try that actually. Let's try to do a. So we'll do an NC and we're going to do it at that IP address, right? That's 100% IP address. So at the host.com, so we're just going to try that. 1234. Connection refused. Okay. I figured the connection would be refused, but or if I have to start that up after I already run the other one and then it'll connect, we'll try. We'll try that. So let's go ahead and go back to our this guy right here because we already have our NC command in here, right? All ready to go and everything. Control C that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's try that, and then we'll go back into here. Do this guy right here because we can't use cat, so I'm going to try to use less. Control C that, and let's see if it opens up that port. 1234. Execute that. Boom, boom. Connection refused. Try my best. Try my hardest, Mom. Alright, 1010, 168, 122, right? 1010, 168, 122. Wonder if I have to actually point it at that, like right there. Let's try that. Definitely said .com, so let's try that. Okay. Try that. Look up failed. And I can't just do that, can I? Alright, that's okay. Let's stop that then. And let's look up, let's see if we have Python here. Which Python? Hopefully I didn't break this box again. Because it's running super slow again. So if I did, then next time it looks like I just can't run that command. That try to run. Let's just try to get back into it. I think I'm just breaking this box repeatedly. I think that's what I'm pretty much doing. So next time it looks like we're just going for this Python one. Because I feel like I'm just crushing this box like right now. So let's go ahead and copy this guy right here, I guess. We'll try this one. This is the one I see more often. So we're going to try to do this guy right here. We'll CD back into the desktop. Try hack me, Pickle Rick, nano, reverse Python, rev Python, text. Put that guy in there, and then we'll go to 169. Yes. And then we'll copy that rev Python text into my scripts. There we go. And that's for my reverse Python. And yeah, it looks like we broke this box again. Alright, so we're going to terminate this again. And then we'll start the machine again. Because as soon as we do that, it looks like the box just stops working. So we're going to go ahead and do that rev Python one. Sorry. I never said this was a good time. So, it happens. That was excellent. That was absolutely excellent. I don't know if I'm going to type in which Python. Is there another? Can I type in like Python tac V or something like that? Python tac V, is it like that? Yeah, I can. Okay, cool. I can do like Python 3 tac V, right? Does that have both versions? Yeah, okay, cool. So I wonder if I can just type that in and see if it's running Python first, because no point sending us a tac at it if it's not running Python. Then we're just sitting here like, oh, why isn't it working? /login.php. Username, Rick Rules. I should just save the password, huh? Alright, robots.txt. I'm not going to save it. Again, I like to live life on the edge. Don't save. Okay, Python tac V. Let's try that. Execute that. It's not showing me anything. What about Python 3 tac V? Okay, so we do have Python 3. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and run that guide cat Python or rev Python, right? Let's go ahead and run this at him, and we'll start up a listener out here too. That cat LVMP 4242. You can use what is already in there. We'll execute that, and we got nothing. Huh? That's really weird. Try one more time. 10.9.169.4242. Execute that. And we still got nothing, huh? Now I'm getting a little bit confused. Where is in? Bin bash. I wonder if we need bin sh. Let's copy that one down. Okay, let's go ahead and nano that. Nano rev Python text. Let's try to put it as bin sh. Let's try that. And we'll start up the listener again. Oh, I did not want to do that actually. That was a joke. Very cat, that rev Python text. We'll put it as bin sh this time. Boom, 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 boom. Come into here, try that again, execute, and still nothing. Okay, let's try that other one then. Let's try this one like right here. Nano, whoopsie daisy. not what I wanted. So now rev python 1.text, and we'll put that as 10.9.1.69. Yes, enter. Cat that rev1 python.text. Now we're going to copy that rev1 python.text also into my scripts. Okay, and let's go ahead and try this one. See if this one works at all. Then we'll start our listener. Cat. What if I had to actually type in Python 3 or whatever else? And that didn't do anything also. Okay, let's try that one more time. Home, export our host. Okay, so that still didn't work. I wonder if I had to do like a Python 3 in front of it, or anything like that. Like Python 3 text C, Control V, execute. That did not work. Okay, I wonder if the text even works with that one. Let's try the other one. Let's try this one. Okay, so we're going to bin sh, go to bin shell. That one's got Python, but this said it had Python 3 and not Python, right? So we said Python 3. So execute the listener again. That's 4242, is that correct? Yep, okay, let's execute that. That one's kind of hanging. There we go. Okay, cool. Who am I? Cool, www data. So we put in this command like right here. David noticed that. I said, not cat, nope. This need to break the box, so I stopped trying. Okay, then we'll do Python 3 reverse shell. Boom. Okay, so we put in that command like right there. I changed /bin bash to /bin h and also Python to Python 3. Okay, so we're data lake right now, right? So let's go ahead and do we know we have Python here. So let me get a full shell first. Okay, let's go ahead and do that again. Oh, I need to do Python 3, huh? Okay, screw it. I don't want to work with it that much. Or can I do the same exact thing with it? Whoops, it easy. Can I do the same exact thing like that? Yeah, I can. Okay, cool. So let's take LA. So we already got that one, right? We already cat super whatever it was, right? Mr. Meeseek's hair. Yep. Okay, cool. We already got that one. So let's go ahead and do a sudo tech l, see if we can do anything with that. Okay, all, no password all. So we can do anything we want. According to this, doesn't sound right. CD at home, CD to Rick. Okay, so let's go ahead and cat second ingredients. Okay, one Jerry cheer. Okay, let's go ahead and CD /Ubuntu. See if there's anything in there. We got SSH. I guess we can, permission denied. CD to root. See, okay, permission denied. All right, can we do anything with let's actually go back into Rick. Does he have an SSH in here? Nope, he just has second ingredients, and that's it. All right, we already catted those, so we got the second ingredients, and we have everything so far that we need, but we're not getting where we need to. Now, are we? Can we just, like, SU into Rick? Because I don't know what the hell Rick owns. So SU Rick. No password entry for user Rick. Rick. CD /root. Permission denied. Or if I can like cat or less slash root slash third. Okay, permission denied. Okay. Wait, what does that say? Warning, terminal is not fully functional. Permission denied. Okay. I thought that would say something else. Now we need to figure out how to do anything. What can I run, like right now? So let's go ahead and cat scripts, SUID lookup. What can I run on here? Oh, Jesus. Okay, okay. So I do a bit, I can run everything. Wow. Can I do like a sudo bash? Looks like I pretty much run whatever I want. I got mount, ping, mount, or unmount, excuse me, TX password. Can I do like a sudo bash. And I just changed the root. There we go, sudo bash. Alright, because I can run. Alright, so that was easy. So let's go ahead and cd into root. ls-la, and we'll go ahead and, yep, there's third.txt, so less third.txt. And we got fleet juice. There we go, cool. So that's all done, like right there. I'll see if I can like cat stuff and things like that. But we may not, because I think well, we got to all three. I want to see if I can like get like the other stuff. So let me go ahead and copy down what my stuff showed me. Then I just put in sudo bash. Alright, cool. That was easy. So I pretty much had every privilege I possibly could. So there we go. And that is all finished now. So that was a pretty quick, easy one, I feel like, except for the problems that we had with the actual box itself. But other than that, can't really complain too much. And yeah, so hopefully that if you guys are going through that one, it made it a little bit easier for you. And if you got any questions, hit me up. But other than that, looks like I broke the box again. 100% looks like I broke that box again. We'll try to get back into it, I guess, this way. So I want to see if I can, like, Etsy shadow, stuff like that. So I want to see. So whenever I get to that stuff, I always like to take it and see if we can crack it or whatever else. But if we can't get in there without me restarting the box, I'm probably not going to, which is not looking like it's going to be able to. So that's okay. But we figured out he could run whatever he wanted to, so we just ran a quick bash and sudo bash, and we were root. And so yep, that's about it. So hopefully that was some knowledge for you guys on sudo bash and everything else. All right, y'all have a good one.